Hi, my name's Simon from Motordrome, and today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this 56 plate, so one of the very last Land Rover Defender 110 TD5 double cabs. Hope you like it. Right, let's take this 56 plate, so a very late, very late TD5, either late 2006 or early 2007. Land Rover Defender 110 TD5 double cab. For spin, showing just under 125,000 miles, so we'll say it's done 125. All the warning lights come up as they should and go out as they should, and it starts beautifully. It starts really well, hot or cold. This one, we've not had any issues with it. Unusually for one of these, the clutch pilot push when it's cold is really quiet, so it may have had a new clutch in it recently. I will have to check the service history, but normally these groan when they're cold, but this one isn't at all. So anyway, to get off we go. No signs of any misfiring, hesitancy or overheating from the motor at all. The temperature gauge is sitting at about a third of the way up the scale at the moment. We've just done about 6 miles in it, so it should be nicely warmed up. Hear the heater blower motor working. Try that when we stopped again. It could just be because the engine's running, but I can't hear it. But anyway, we'll come back to that. Yeah, pulls away nicely. No smoking out the back at all, and letting my foot off the throttle sharply. There's no backlash through the transmission at all or clunking. It's actually very rattle free, this one, considering it's got an Ife Williams back on it. They normally rattle terribly, but this one isn't. Radio does work, I haven't checked the CD part of it. Going back to the more important things, gearbox changes nicely. There's no synchro problems or funny noises or jumping out of gear. Not that that's a common thing on a R380 gearbox, but worth checking what you're saying. On this troubles down there, I'm quite happily. Steering is fine, I'm not going to fight it down the road. The steering wheel is about 30 degrees off centre. And copes very well with these big bumps. No nasty crashing or banging from the suspension at all. Smoke out the back or anything. See what it's like under brakings, there's nothing behind us. Pulls up nice and straight, yep, no funny noises under braking. actually switch off and see if I can hear that heater blower motor. No, heater blower motor isn't working, possibly just a blown fuse. Anyway, my name's Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495. We can go to our website, which is www.moto-drone.com for any more info. End. Okay, a quick video of this 110 TD5 double cab engine running. It's warm. There we have it.